Family Vineyards, and this is our 7th harvest. And this year we have the boys out. James Pavitt here, and Jackson's on this side, and their friend Keely, Ted's son. So they're out helping us harvest. The fruit looks beautiful, and it's a nice, cool, crisp evening about midnight, and we're super excited to bring this harvest in. It's almost Halloween. It's time.
This vintage is, it's one for the decade, I would say. It's been a lot of ups and downs, and we've made it to the finish line with some incredible fruit. So we feel pretty blessed to make it this far and have this perfect ripeness yet again.